I'm a little bit late on getting a video because I didn't get any of it. Paul and I just buried, well, power. We got power out there. We used to have a pool right there, a round pool above ground, and we had power running to it. So we took that existing power, ran it in our, in our tubing, underground tube. Put a junction box right there because that was the end of it. So we had to put a junction. We put a junction and sealed it, ran it in our pipe all the way over to our pole, and I left it long because I think Jamie might want to put a light on top of that thing or something. I know she's going to put a fan in there, so she needed power for that. So Paul came over today on Saturday, and I didn't get any of it on video, but that's what I know. I totally forgot Paul until after I said, Dad, we did this whole project and never even got a video of it. So yeah, we dug holes from here to there, about 6 inches deep. What do you call that pipe? Conduit pipe into a junction box, sealed the junction box, and then ran it to the post, came up the post into a power box. Paul wired everything up. I flipped the breaker, it didn't flip off, so I guess we did something right. But yeah, man, let's go take a look. Buried. Now we're gonna caulk that in right there, Paul, right? That's all we got to do is caulk that in. Box somewhere's around here. Ran it in this here pipe. Good stuff here. Yeah. Yes, sir. PVC conduit. And ran it right over here to the cabana that Paul and I put together yesterday. Didn't do a video of that either. I didn't do a video of that either. And that was fun. That was mine and Paul's project yesterday. Just trying to get set up for summer. Getting the pool cleared out. Looks pretty good. Looks a lot clearer than it was, even yesterday. So, just keeping that water. What's that, Paul? Yeah, get just enough pipe for another light. Sweet, because I know she's gonna want one up there, Paul.
Yeah, probably.
I'm just betting money. She just loves lights. Look in the tree behind you.
Yeah. You discontinue that. We'll bring every foot on this.
Yeah, something. Anyway, we've been busy. This is our pool update. This is how far we are so far. Still have a lot of landscaping to do. Been working on it here, a little more than we have here. Neighbor gave me some dirt, or some good topsoil actually, and I need to get here with it as soon as I can. I just haven't had time to do it yet. Been working on everything else. But we're coming along. Looking forward to summer. Nice. Sunday morning. Just installed some blocks. Adding a little bit onto my video as we go. I picked up the cabana furniture yesterday. We just don't have it quite set up the way we want. But I just got it yesterday. And after I finished the wall, of course we still have a lot of landscaping to do, but there's steps you have to take, and that's getting everything situated the way you want it, and then come back and finish the landscaping. So lots to do, but the garden's coming really nice. My wife started the landscaping around the cabana. Still got a lot to do. I have a friend of mine that gave me some topsoil. Still have to go get it. It's a pretty steep little bank. We're hoping with all the mulch in here that we won't have any issues with sand washing. My next step, I have to finish getting the dirt for this because that's way too steep. And a neighbor down the street dug out their cellar for their new addition. So they gave me the dirt they had left over. So it's basically nice, good soil. And obviously if I don't get it put in here pretty quick, there's going to be issues. So yeah, our land is on a slope anyways. So being that it's on a slope, if I step back, you can really see it. Lots of work to do, but the big stuff over there is done. Now the next big thing is getting everything landscaped the way we want it. But they did give me a lot of dirt for here. I just haven't went and got it yet. It's right down the street. I've been so busy with everything else, as you can see. But I want to thank everybody for always coming by and tuning into my channel when you do. And smashing that thumbs up, the ones that do. And if you became a subscriber, I appreciate it. If you didn't, thank you for stopping by and watching. I do mostly work videos, but I put a few on of the upgrades that we've been working on this spring at my place, just so everybody has an idea of what I'm doing. Make a dime, save it, put it away for the future. I'm calling this my retire land. Of course, I'm not retired yet, my wife is. We can't afford Disneyland every year, so retired land is much better. Hard work. We'll get it done eventually.